Dinner time? Oh, back to normal na talaga ang sanding ni Mami yan, ah. Show me your walk. Oh, normal again? Can you show me your walk? Come on. Turn around. Can you get your tail now? No. Eh, not my slippers. Aba, talaga naman, ah. Kagaling, ah. Show me your legs nga. No more pain, no more injured, no more, ano? Malikot na eh, oh. Tama mo, oh, namawalk niya na ng normal. Oh, di ba, te? Naku, kaya nga eh, as in talagang, upo na siya. Back to normal na siya. Magsalita ka, you have to
Sandra is back to normal now.
Sit. Okay. Shake hands. Oh, the other hand, Good girl. Kiss me. Whisper. Okay. And bless. Can you bow?
Huh?
Can you bow
I
now?
don't know. Maybe on the carpet.
On the carpet, bow? Lie down. Okay. Playing dead.
Bang!
Bang!
Playing dead ka dyan.
Yay! Bang. Go. Okay, sit down. Cover your eyes. Oh, your tail. Oh, no. Stop. Don't do your tail. Mamaya mapilayan ka. Ipakita mo na kay legs yun na na-injured. Ano. She's able to back to normal again. Sit. Kita ba siya na?
Yeah.
Good girl. Easy, okay? Easy. Good girl.